Hey, it's Mike with Carbonize This, and we've got an exciting announcement. You guys loved the video we did on Pompeii when Mount Vesuvius erupted. We're going to do 3 more videos. We're not going to cover just Pompeii. We're also going to cover the town of Herculaneum, where an entire library was carbonized. Now, to do that, we've partnered with a really awesome company called their Roemer Shop. They're based out of Germany. It means the Roman Shop. They have over 2,000 replica artifacts in their store. They partner with museums and schools and try to bring history to life, make it tangible for people that are interested in it. So they sent us several items that we're going to carbonize to replicate the type of artifacts that might have been found in Herculaneum and Pompeii after the eruption of Vesuvius. So let's see what they sent us. So they sent us 2 of everything so that we can show you what it looks like before and after we carbonize it. All right, let's see what they got. They packed it very well. Had to survive the trip from Germany. Here's the plate. This is the plate they sent us. So this will be in the food video that we do. Very cool. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. And look, is this another little mug? Oh yeah, that's cool. We'll put these here. We've got our kitchen spoons. Roman kitchen spoon. This is the reed, or a writing stylus. Oh yeah. They sent us some dice, Roman dice made out of bone. This is a brass stylus that was used to write. This is another spoon. That's cool. Now this is an item that I'm very excited about. It is a Papyrus Scroll. And when that library in Herculaneum was carbonized, there were over 1,800 scrolls that got carbonized. So we're going to replicate those and see if we can read the writing on the scrolls. We're going to make some of our own ancient ink to write on as a test. And it's got a little parchment tag. Very cool. Wait, let's see what this is. This, I believe, is the ink. I don't know German, though. Yes, iron Gall Ink. It is one type of ink that was used during that time that has a little bit of metal in it. Oh, these are the wax tablets. So these are writing tablets that were used. So you would write on them, and then they would, to erase it, they'd basically melt that wax again, and then you could write again, write a second time. So they actually gave us 2 different types of wax tablets, one with a red wax and one with a black wax. Oh, this is the Parchment Scroll. So where this one is made from papyrus, this one is made from parchment. So this is animal skin, and this is plant fibers. Now, when we do our video on the scrolls, we'll go into a lot more detail on the scrolls themselves and the different inks that were used. Next up is a board game. This is a board game that was played in ancient times that is called Roman Round Mill. So this is a game that was played by families, and we're going to carbonize it in one of our videos. We've got 3 different videos planned with these items. We have one that we're going to cover scrolls and writing utensils. Another is kind of the kitchen setting in Roman times. And then lastly, a day in the life of a Roman citizen, where we'll carbonize the games and the writing tablets. We can't wait to get started filming these videos, and a big thank you to Roemer Shop for providing these items. You can look at the description of this video for a link to their website where you can find these products and many others. Be sure and check them out.